Which is the first step of accounting process? Well picked. Recording is the correct answer. What is the constraint of financial statement? On track. Cost is the correct answer. What is the priority in managerial accounting? Excellent choice. Being relevant and timely is the right answer. The main purpose of cost accounting is to dash. Nicely done. Provide information to management for decision making is a solid answer. The first step in the recording process is to excellent. Analyze each transaction for its effect on the accounts is a brilliant choice. Bookkeeping is the first stage of accounting. Good job. Your answer true works well here. The objective of branch accounting is to know. Nice selection. Profit and loss is the correct and valid answer. The final stage of the accounting process is right again. Interpretation is a valid answer. The recognized accounting body in Nigeria is correct response. ICAN is the most accurate answer. What are the salient features of accounting? Right choice. All of the above is the best answer. The resources owned by a business are called valid point. Assets is true. Accounting principles are generally based on correct. Practicability is the right answer. What is the primary purpose of bookkeeping? Smart pick. To record and organize financial transactions is the correct choice. Who is considered the father of accounting? You chose Luca Pacioli, and it is correct. The basic principles of accounting are dash. Great job. Measurement, revenue recognition, expense recognition, and full disclosure is the accurate answer. The accounting equation may be expressed as? You're right. Assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity is the correct answer. Limitations of financial accounting include. You got it. Your choice, both A and C, is right. What is the focus of managerial accounting? Nice work. You chose future planning and decision-making, and it is correct. Which of the following is incorrect order? Bravo. Adjusting entries, financial statements, closing entries is the answer. Dash is the scope of financial accounting. Clear logic. Your choice, all of the above, is sound and 100% true. Accounting provides data or information on. Well reasoned. All the above is the correct choice. What is the language of any business? Well done. Accounting is the right choice. Financial accountancy is governed by dash. Solid response. Local as well as international accounting standards is a valid choice. Financial accounting reports include dash. Good thinking. All of the above is the right answer. An income statement reports of businesses. Smart move. Financial progress over a specific period of time is an accurate answer. Which is not a part of accounting system. Sharp thinking. Slam book is the right choice. Who is known as the father of accounting? Exactly. Luca Pacioli makes sense, and it is right choice. Following are the branches of accounting. Perfect. All of above is the correct choice. In financial accounting only transaction. Great thinking. In monetary terms are considered is the right choice. The following defines accounting except. Strong choice. And information that is collected is primarily numerical is the right answer. When is the origin of modern accounting? Right again. In 49.4 is a valid answer. Financial accounting is best defined as. Nice work. You chose recording, summarizing, and communicating economic events of entities, and it is correct. Uses of accounting information include. Right choice. All of the above is the best answer. Correct form of accounting equation is. Well reasoned. Assets equal to liabilities plus capital is the correct choice. The modern system of accounting owes to. Clear logic. Your choice GAAP is sound and 100% true. What is meant by the abbreviation FRES? Well picked. Financial Reporting Standards is the correct answer. Where is the birthplace of accounting? Correct. Italy is the right answer. The accounting equation must always be. You're right. Balanced is the correct answer. What is the basic accounting equation? Strong choice. Assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity is the right answer. The nature of financial accounting is. Correct response. Historical is the most accurate answer. Accounting organizations in Indonesia. Smart pick. EE is the correct choice. Another name for the balance sheet is. Great job. Statement of financial position is the accurate answer. Bookkeeping is mainly concerned with. Good thinking. Recording of financial data relating to business operation is the right answer. Capital of Nampo is generally known as. Good job. Your answer capital fund works well here. Assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. Nicely done. Accounting equation is a solid answer. Who is father of accounting in India? You got it. Your choice, KS Iyer, is right. How many golden rules in accounting? Nice selection. 3 is the correct and valid answer. Last step of accounting process is. Perfect. Communicating is the correct choice. Statement of affairs is prepared too. On track. Calculate capital is the correct answer, which is not a financial statement. Excellent. Statement of assets is a brilliant choice. Paired accounting recording system. You chose double entry, and it is correct. Positive accounting theory is dash. Excellent choice. Descriptive is the right answer. A bank reconciliation statement is. Solid response. None of the above is a valid choice. Objective of financial accounting? Valid point. Both the above is true. What is the main purpose of GAAP? Exactly. Create financial statements that are useful, make sense, and it is right choice. Accounting equation is stated as great thinking. Assets liabilities equal to capital is the right choice. Explain the accounting equation. Bravo. Assets equal to liabilities plus equity is the answers. Financial accounting purposes. Sharp thinking. Ascertainment of financial position and profit loss is the right choice. Step 3 in the accounting cycle. Well done. Ledger is the right choice. The adjusting entries are made. Smart move. At the end of every accounting period is an accurate answer. When is trial balance prepared? Well reasoned. At the end of an accounting period is the correct choice. Modern accounting was born in. Well done. England is the right choice. Impairment of assets apply to. Correct response. Property, plant, and equipment is the most accurate answer. What is the role of the ASP? On track. Formulate international financial reporting standards is the correct answer. Accounting principles include sharp thinking. Both of them is the right choice. Accounting furnishes data on valid point. All the above is true. Cost accounting is useful too. Great job. Controlling cost is the accurate answer. Types of errors accounting. You got it? Your choice, all the above, is right. What does GAPE stand for? Good job. Your answer generally accepted accounting principles works well here. Accounting is language of. Perfect. Business is the correct choice. Financial accounting rule. You're right. Golden rules is the correct answer. The father of accounting? Exactly. Loca de Borgo Pacioli makes sense, and it is right choice. Branches of accounting. Nice work. You chose all of the above, and it is correct. Merits of accounting are clear logic. Your choice, all of the above, is sound and 100% true. Accounting is an art of. Correct. All the above is the right answer. The accounting equation. Nicely done. Assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity is a solid answer. Accounting equation is right choice. All of the above is the best answer. What is accounting? Solid response. All the above is a valid choice. Accounting is an. Nice selection. All of the above is the correct and valid answer. GAP stands for smart pick. Generally accepted accounting principles is the correct choice. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Good thinking. Contact Narayan Changda is the right answer.